All right, boys and girls, this is our informational interactive notebook number 4. Today we're going to be working on academic words. So academic words are another way to say topic-specific words. So we're going to be reading a passage, and this passage is titled Looking into the Deep. And what it is that you need to do is we're going to be identifying words that are related to this topic. So looking into the deep, I'm inferring it's going to be about the ocean. So we're going to be looking at words that relate specifically to the ocean and looking into the deep ocean, okay? You are going to have to use context clues to identify what these words in bold here mean. And then you are going to use, again, context clues to determine another meaning of the word here, specialize it's in bold. Context clues is looking at the clues around the word to help you identify what that word actually means. So I have linked also another YouTube video in this assignment right here. I would like you to watch this one as well as the current video I'm recording right now before you work on this worksheet. I'm going to read the worksheet to you, and then you guys will watch the next video, and hopefully you'll be able to attack this on your own. All right, here we go. Looking into the deep. The ocean is a frontier that has yet to be fully understood by scientists, explorers, and regular citizens. Even though the world is covered by mostly water, 95% of the underwater world is unexplored. People who are aiming to go where no one else has gone are brave, dedicated, and smart. Oceanographers, generally speaking, Oceanographers, generally speaking, explore the ocean. Oceanographers can be many things. Marine biologists study life in the ocean, using instruments and underwater dives to study how organisms live and work together in a specific oceanic ecosystem. Chemical oceanographers, like marine chemists, study... I don't know what's going on with my computer, guys. I'm sorry. Chemical oceanographers, like marine chemists, study how salt water content varies from one oceanic environment to the next, and how that affects ecosystems or climate. Marine geologists explore the ocean floor using specialized equipment and cameras to look at volcanoes, canyons, and peaks of the ocean floor. While we still have much more to explore in the ocean, it will surely be an adventure to learn what lives below the waters. All right, you guys are going to watch the next video and then answer these 2 questions. Good luck.